Okay, so this section is called choosing a method. We have the graphing method, but it's not going to be one of our choices because it's just too easy to have it be off and inaccurate. So for accurate methods, we just have the two, substitution or elimination. So in example 13, it says, for each system of linear equations, decide whether it'd be more convenient to solve it by substitution or elimination. They didn't ask us to actually solve them, so that's okay. We'll just do what they said to do. So I looked at this first system in A. It looks like the x's are lined up, the y's are lined up, they both equal constants, so it looks like it's all set up for elimination, and it is, so that would probably be the easiest method. I would probably, I'll go a little bit further, this is going to be a short video, but I would go ahead and eliminate the y's because you've got one positive and one negative. So I'd probably multiply the top equation by 2 and the bottom equation by 5, and then I'd be off to the races, okay? So, but elimination would be the way to go. The other one, well, let's see, B. It kind of looks like it's set up for substitution, right? Because you have x equals something in the top equation. So I would take this part and substitute it in for the x down there as well. So I would use substitution here. It's all set up for that. So when you do that, the substitution would look like 3 times 2y minus 1 minus 5y equals negative 7. And then you'd go through and solve it. But they didn't ask us to do that. They just said which would be easier to do. So that's just a little review on how to choose between elimination and substitution. Sometimes it might be hard to tell. If it's hard to tell, I'd probably go with the elimination method first, just unless there's a variable you can get by itself really quick. But I generally try to avoid fractions if I can. All right, so that is how to solve a system of linear equations.